Hello viewers, this is sajidz again with you guys, and here in this video I'm going to talking with about how you can enable another app dark mode. Here in the previous videos I have shown you guys how you can enable the dark mode in your Messenger and in the Facebook, and here in this video I'm going to talking with about how you can enable the dark mode in your Instagram too. And here it is, Instagram, you can now enable the dark mode in your Instagram too, and it's fully awesome for you guys. So how you can do this? To do this in your Instagram, you need to watch this video till to the end. Without further delay, start this video. So here it is guys, we need to go to the Google Play Store to make it enable here. So first of all, I need to go to the Google Play Store here, and from here I need to search an app called the Hermit, and here I'll give you the link in the description, and after that we need to install. So here it is guys, this is my app, is ready to use and it's fully installed. And guys, I always assure you that this app is really safe for you to use it, and you can use it without any type of hesitation. Now go to this app here in this Hermit app, and you need to give some enable option here, and it just go to here, here, here and here. Now go to the next, and from here you need to create a first light app for you to enable it, and click on this create your first light app now in this button there, and here you need to go to this ready-made light apps, and here it's already in the first page, and you need to wait for a while, and we will start our work after just coming this app here in the way. And from this app you need to select those apps or that app which you want to make the dark mode. And from here, this is the Instagram app, and I need to take this app to make it here the work. And here it is, my download and the installation of my Instagram is on. And here after that we need to go to the back and off this Hermit app, and here it is, this is my Instagram app is here. Though here I have my Instagram app, but here it just make another Instagram app, and to enable the black mode you need to use this Instagram app, and don't worry, this is safe for you guys. And now I open this Instagram app here, and here it is, this is my Instagram, and I need to log in here, and I just finished off my all procedure to log in my Instagram, and I don't know how you go to log in your Instagram, but I always prefer to log in Instagram with my Facebook account. So I just log in here, and after that I'll come back here. And here it is, this is my Instagram is on here too, and you just guys see that all the things of my Instagram, I'll just go here. And now I need to make it black. For that you need to click on this gear icon, and from this gear icon you will get an option, the night mode. Go to the below, and here the night mode is here. Now you need to enable this night mode here, and after that click on the restart now, and your app will be off. And now after that you need to on this current app again. And here it is, this is your Instagram is on here guys, and your Instagram is now maybe black as it is. Here is my black. So here it is, this is the way by which you can make a black theme in your Instagram, and it looks like some awesome, and sometimes it's more charge consuming, and it also make a good effect for your eyesight too. And for that reason, the most of the people are now just interested in these black mode apps are here. So that's it from me guys. Anyway guys, we are in the very ending of this video, and here guys, if you just like this video, and if you think this content is very helpful for you guys, then I request you please give a thumbs up this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel again. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you are waiting for my next video. Till then, take care. Tata.